I had a lot of people coming to me that Sunday in the lobby crying, saying, I wanted you to say something, but I didn't realize how bad I didn't need you to say anything. Because I just needed to hear all of the voices get quiet for a second. Every service, and I'm watching it happen right now, people have been wiping away tears because for the first moment in what feels like weeks, we're finally sitting still for just a second and we're not hearing so much. And what could happen if we turned all the noise down for a second and we said, God, I just want to hear you. And yeah, I have very strong beliefs about certain things, and I feel very passionately about certain things. And I'm not telling you you're wrong for those things. What I am telling you is perhaps adding to the noise isn't what God wants from our lives sometimes until we know we've heard his voice.